Have you ever asked yourself if YouTube really pays? So guys, in this video, I am going to clear this thought if actually YouTube pays or not. So stay here with me as I am going to show you how much actually YouTube paid me in the span of 7 days. And guys, you don't really need to miss this. Kindly stay here, watch this video to an end, because this video, I just decided to do this video, guys, to show you that even though you are struggling with your YouTube channel, let me tell you that there is a day that YouTube is going to pay you. And this one is 100% sure. I guarantee you that one day, as long as you're putting effort, as long as you're consistently posting, YouTube is going to pay you. Like, YouTube will one day pay you. So in this video, I am going to show you how much YouTube paid me for only one video that I did. And that all scenario, it happened within a span of 7 days, and I got that much. So without further ado, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Juma, and guys, if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you like this video and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a viewer who came back, welcome to my channel once again, and thank you for always coming back. So guys, so many people have been asking if this YouTube really pays, and I want to tell you that YouTube really pays. I know that you can struggle. Yeah, it is not easy to get monetized here on YouTube. It is not easy to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But once you get into YouTube monetization, let me tell you, that is when your life changes. And when I say changes, I mean that your life will change, like how you think, how you're going to create the contents that maybe people are going to watch, and it is hectic. Let me just tell you, for you to get that amount of money, I'm telling you that it is not easy. You're going to struggle, but let me tell you one thing about YouTube is that once YouTube algorithm notices you, you will never struggle again. Like, you will never struggle. So before I show you how much I made, guys, I just want to give you hope. For those people who are struggling with their channels, I just want to give you hope that don't give up on that channel. Like, do not give. I had given up. Let me tell you, I had given up in this channel and my other channel. But let me tell you, when God's time comes, no man, let me tell you, no man can erase it. So I'm going to show you my YouTube studio. Like, I'm going to show you what and how and what I made, guys. And this one is a serious one, because you really need to watch this. You really need to watch it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you my screen so that all of you are going to see. All of you are going to see. I'm looking for that video before I display it here. See this video here. This video monetization is free now. Hurry and monetize now. This video really, this is the video that made me feel like I am alive again after 1 year and some months of being monetized without earning anything. But when I did this video went viral after 3 days of, of creating it. This video, the first day I created this video, it got 10 views, and the following day it was about 25 views, and the third day the video was at 200, and that is how that video went viral until it reached 35,800 views. So far this video has gotten 35.8k. Yeah, that is the views. And let us the reach of this video impressions, it reached 365.4k thousand people. And yes, and how viewers found this video: browse features, suggested video, other YouTube features, direct or unknown, external. People find this video through WhatsApp, which means that so many people went ahead and they shared this video to the people through WhatsApp groups, through WhatsApp whatever, WhatsApp.com, WhatsApp business. And this is how people found this video, guys. Yes, YouTube search terms, the terms that people were searching, you know, free monetization, learn and earn with Gracie. Imagine 1.1% searched me. Hey, God, I beg. 1.1% people searched me. They searched my channel. God, I didn't know that one day someone will go to YouTube and search my channel. I didn't know, but it happened. Yeah, it happened. So watch hours. Okay, content suggesting these videos. You see, these are the content that suggested this video, and I am so grateful because this man here did, he copied my video. He's called Prince Asiama. He copied my videos and his video went viral even more than mine. And I am so grateful, by the way, Prince Asiama, because I saw my my channel, the video that you did about, I copied the a YouTuber. Yes, that is how we grow here on YouTube. When you see someone did a video and you would like doing the same video and you go and do it, after doing it, you post it for your you know, your community, you post it for your audience, and whoever will watch it will watch it. People copy people here on YouTube. Yeah. You know, no one can, okay, you can come with an idea. Like me, I came with that idea and then I posted it. And then some people came and posted it and they also got something. Yeah, and they even got a lot. So that is how it goes. And all these are the channels that suggested my videos, and I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. And let's see the engagement of this video. How people really engaged in this video. Imagine this video gave me 1.5 watch hours. Imagine a whole 1.5 watch hours. And guys, if you know how much people on YouTube value watch hours, hey, for you to get monetized, you need 4,000 watch hours. And imagine if I was to maybe I wasn't yet monetized. Now I would have gotten 1.5. Yeah, so you see 1.5 watch hours, you see, and audience retention. These people really watched this video, guys. People watched this video. Hey, people really watched this video, guys. Let's see the audience. The unique viewers were 27,000. So let us see the audience. Let's see the age that watched this video: 18 to 24, 25 to 34, blah, 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 up to 65 years. I salute you guys. And gender, male really watched this video, about 57.9%. Hey, God, I beg. Top geographies, Nigeria, again. I will always salute you, Nigerians. By the way, if there is a country that I love his people, is Nigerians. Let me tell you, if you don't really know the people that you should be friends with, are Nigerians. Those are the people that will, the majority of supporters, my supporters are Nigerians, not even my Kenyan people, but also I know my Kenyan people are always, some of them are, you know, supporting me, but majority are Nigerians. Let me tell you, Nigerians are the best. Nigerians, I love you and I will always love you. Me, I love you, Nigerians, because you are always top. Like top. Like mostly in my videos, Nigerians are the top that are always watching my videos. In Nigeria, God bless you. And I pray that may you have peace in your country. As you also support us, I am always also supporting Nigerians because those are the friends that I have. And also they were at 31.6%. And United States, United States. Thank you so much. I love you, United States. Yeah. God bless America. South Africa. Also South Africans and Indians, also my friends, and Kenyans at 4.8. I salute all of you that really watched this video. And now let's go to the revenue. Drum rolls. Dun, 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 dun. Now this is the place that so many people are waiting. They want to see if indeed it is real or I'm just, you know, playing with your minds. Guys, this is a time of reality. This is how much YouTube paid me. You see, guys, $157 of a video that got 35,000 views. Guys, 37,000 views, 157.21 cents dollars. Guys, do you know how much is this in Kenyan currency? Let us check. Let us check. We are going to the calculator. So 157.21 times our currency is like around 129, 20,280,000. Guys who are in Kenya, you know how much is 20,000. Guys, you know how much is 20,000. 20,000 here in Kenya is a lot of money. Like, I know so many people will say that it is not a lot. To you, it is not a lot, but to me, hey, this one pays my rent, it pays my my school fees, and some little shopping. Yes, this one is a lot to me, and I really give God the glory because he deserves it. He is the one who made this video go viral, not me. It's not my energy, it's not by my power, but it is the power of God. So guys, this is how much it paid. And revenue, how this how you make money through watch page ads. These ads that you guys, you actually you just skip. These one are the ones that give us money. 99.2%, by the way. Video performance, you see, and see how much advertisers were paying. Advertisers were paying 9.8. Yes, and revenue per 1K views was $4.40. And when this video started, its revenue was around $3. Yeah, but when the video people kept on watching the video, watching, and it kept the revenue, the RPM kept on, you know, increasing. And that is how much I made on this video, guys. I haven't shown you another thing. I want to show you the, you know, I want to show you how the subscribers that I got. You see, guys, this video gave me 872 subscribers. Imagine if you were waiting for your 1,000 subscribers. Just deduct 872 from 1,000. Guys, this is amazing, and I'm so blessed, and I really thank God. And so, guys, I just decided to do this video because I want to tell the people, those people who are always struggling with their channels, keep trying. Keep trying, because you really don't know the video that will make you go. Yeah, you don't know. You really don't know the video that will come to your breakthrough, because let me tell you guys, once this video went viral, and that is how I got a breakthrough on my channel, I was really struggling. I struggled. I reached out of YouTubers that were even once in my my community. They never showed up. But I really thank God, because the Bible says that we should not depend on a man. We should only depend on him and him alone. And when I depended on God, that is how my breakthrough came. And now I want to advise you that do not give up. No matter how hard it is. No matter how hard it is. Remember, there is God in heaven who is going to bring your breakthrough. Isaiah 60, verses 22, the Bible says that when the time is right, I, the Lord, I shall make it happen. Thank you so much. And remember, your Isaiah 60:22 is knocking at your door. God bless you.